This is how to make Google Gemini to make calls on lock screen. So if you want to lock your phone and say, hey Google, put a call through to my woman on speaker. For Google Gemini to be able to respond to this and pick up a call or put a call through to someone, all you need to do is this. Unlock your phone, search for the Google app, and then click on it. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Click on Settings. Scroll down. Click on Gemini. Scroll down. Click on Gemini on lock screen. Then come to ongoing calls and messages. Make calls and send messages without unlocking. Turn this on. Now, you will need to turn on your calling and messaging app in Gemini for this feature to work. Then you should say Connected App. Connect to various app for Smart Hub. Now, you should see all the applications that can use Gemini in this case. So, just search through it, you can say turn on messages and make sure phone call is turned on, even WhatsApp. So just turn on all the applications you want to use on Google Gemini on lock screen. Now, you simply need to go to your lock screen and say, hey Google, call no one else on speaker or whoever you want to call on your phone without unlocking the screen. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.